Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down simple yet powerful Windows tricks to make your computing life easier. Today, we're diving into a quick tutorial on how to open the control panel using the Run dialog box. This method is perfect for 2025 and beyond, as it's efficient, keyboard-friendly, and works across most Windows versions. Whether you're troubleshooting settings or customizing your system, the control panel is a go-to tool, and accessing it via Run saves you precious time. Let's get started with the steps. First, make sure you're on your Windows desktop. Press the Windows key on your keyboard. That's the one with the Windows logo, and the letter R at the same time. This will pop up the Run dialog box, a handy little window that lets you launch programs and tools quickly. Once the Run box appears, type in the word Control without the quotes. It's that straightforward, just Control. Now, hit the Enter key or click OK. Voila! The control panel window should open right up, displaying all your system settings, categories, and options. If you're wondering why this works, it's because Control is a built-in command in Windows that directly links to the control panel executable. This trick is especially useful if your Start menu search isn't working or if you prefer keyboard shortcuts for speed. Pro tip: if you encounter any issues, like the control panel not opening, try restarting your computer or checking for Windows updates, as this ensures everything is up to date for 2025 compatibility. And there you have it, opening control panel with Run in just a few seconds. This method is a game changer for power users and beginners alike. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and turn on notifications so you never miss out. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and keep exploring.